So we've got these incredible AIs that can write poetry and generate mind-blowing art. But here's a question for you. Can they understand something as simple as a dead-end street? Today we're going to dive into how we teach an AI about the real physical world. The streets, the intersections, and the buildings we navigate every single day.
All right, so first up, let's talk about the core challenge facing these modern AI systems. It's really a classic case of book smarts versus street smarts, and I mean that literally. Really think about it for a second. An AI can read everything on the internet about, say, San Francisco. It can describe the Golden Gate Bridge to you perfectly, but does it actually get the city's layout? Does it understand the concept of a one-way street or why you can't just drive a car through the middle of Golden Gate Park? That's the problem. They're missing a grounded understanding of physical space. And this slide, it just perfectly sums up that disconnect. On one side, you've got the AI's brain, right? It lives in this clean, abstract digital world made of pure data and code. But on the other side, you've got our world, a messy, complicated web of geographic rules and physical barriers. There's this huge translation gap between those two worlds. So what's the solution? How do we possibly bridge that gap? Well, it turns out we need a kind of translator, a brilliant tool that can speak both the AI's digital language and the language of our physical world. And that is where OSMnx comes in. It's this amazing Python library that lets you download and model street networks from literally anywhere on Earth, often with just a single line of code. You can think of it as our specialized translator for geography. So what OSMnx does is kind of magical. It dives into all that messy, chaotic, real-world map data from a source called OpenStreetMap, and it performs this crucial transformation. It turns it all into a clean, organized format that a computer, and especially an AI model, can actually work with and reason about. Okay, so how does this magic trick actually work? How do you go from a messy, real-world map to a clean model that a computer can understand? The process itself is surprisingly elegant. It actually boils down to just 4 simple steps. First, you just pinpoint a location. It could be anywhere, say Piedmont, California. Second, OSMnx goes out and automatically downloads all the raw street data for that area. Third, it builds a mathematical graph out of that data. And finally, and this is super important, it cleans everything up. It corrects the structure and attaches all those crucial real-world details, like which streets are one-way or what the speed limits are. And this is where you can really see the magic happen. The result of this process is this incredible transformation, taking it from something like this, which, let's be honest, is just a jumbled mess to a computer. It's visually cluttered, and it's incredibly difficult for a machine to interpret algorithmically. To this, see? It's a clean, beautiful, structured graph. Every intersection is a dot, a node, and every street is a line connecting them, an edge. This isn't just a picture anymore, it's a computationally ready model of the physical world. Okay, this is cool, right? But so what? What can you actually do with this clean, structured data? This isn't just some academic exercise. This unlocks some really tangible, real-world AI applications. Well, this is where it gets really powerful. Suddenly, AI models can simulate actual delivery routes in a city like Bangalore, not just some fake grid. You can train self-driving cars on realistic road networks with all their weird dead ends and complex intersections. Urban planners can use it to find the most critical junctions in a city. And you can ground a large language model so that when you ask it for directions, it gives you real ones, not ones that just, hallucinates. And this quote right here just nails it. OSMnx isn't giving you just map data, like a picture of a map. It's delivering a functional, computable model of how our world is physically wired together. So let's zoom out. What does all of this mean for the future of artificial intelligence? Because this points to a whole new frontier. Look, the biggest takeaway here is this. The next big leap in AI isn't just going to come from making models bigger and bigger. The real future is about integration. It's about connecting these powerful AIs with clever, specialized tools like OSMnx that ground them in the real world. AI is at its best when it's part of a toolkit. And hey, if you're someone who's building things or you're looking for the next big idea, listen up. This whole area, combining powerful existing tools with AI, it is a massively underrated field right now, and it is absolutely full of opportunities for new startups and innovative ideas. And that kind of leaves us with this big final question. We were teaching AI to understand the complex, messy network of our streets. Once it has truly mastered that, what other complex, real-world systems will it learn to navigate next?